Hey guys, Bashcone here, and today welcome to a video. So we are gonna be teaching you in Scratch how to jump and make a jumping animation too. So what you want, you want to change Y blocks and events block, like one space key pressed or whatever, what you jump key want, and then you want two repeat blocks. So yeah. So first you want to do, I'm going to speed run this, change Y by 10, put that in there, but then you have to change it here to -10, because now, bam, you're literally done that thing. So we're going to make an animation, like jumping animation, because why not? We already have pre-built in things. If you hate drawing, and you don't want to draw, well, I'm gonna draw for this video, but you can use to like outlines for like jumping animation, but you probably want to draw for this. So your first costume, okay. Now I want to pixelate it a bit. Now I want to move you up. Bam. Because I want to draw now. Oh no, that's the line. That's the line tool. Let's go back to, and now I'll draw me. This is like my channel mascot, Bash. That's his name, Bash. That's not it, guys. So first we're gonna just move it down here. Let's remove the stupid cat costume, and then highlight over here, click paint, and then get our new costume. I'm gonna make his eyes closed. You can make it however you want, it'll still work. Oh my god, that's so crazy. I know this is supposed to be informational, but I also want to put in some of my comedy. Not here, no whatever. Oh my god, that looks terrible. But hey, it's the purpose for the video of making us jump animation. How cool. Okay, that's gonna look terrible. Now, you want to change costume to costume 1. Wait, 0.4 seconds, that's like the recommended time. And then switch costume to cat A. Well, that's the costume. Oh. Okay, let me just rip the block off that. Bam. Oh. It's just. Why? Okay, I'm just gonna remove that. Oh. Already done this one. But we can always try again. And I just success. Okay. Then switch costume to cat A. Bam. Should probably 0.4 1.1, I guess. Yup. It's a delay, but we did it. So that's how you do it. And goodbye, guys. This is Bashcone with your Friendly Scratch 3.0 tutorial.